Good afternoon. Video message for Joe. Joe, hello sir. Well, thank you for buying the beautiful Husqvarna 285 CD. I've not run her since I did the cutting video with her, so time warp 2 or 3 weeks ago perhaps, is it? Something like that, I think. And she was fully cleaned again before just being hung up. So let's see how this girl starts. Kill switch, throttle lock, choke, make sure that's off. Just a brutal engine. God, just phenomenal compression. Okay, choke, throttle lock. Oh. Choke off. Joe, hope you love the saw. She's just an amazing, amazing creature, and love to hear how you get on with her. And I will get her packed safely tonight and get her to the couriers tomorrow for you. And stay safe using her. She's an absolute monster. Bye for now.